Oh, yes.
Billy Brown.
Okay. Let me see that. Okay. I appreciate it. So thank you. No problem.
It's this one, yeah. Yep, this won't take long.
Mr. Brown, good to see you, sir. Just come on forward to be sworn in by the clerk. All right, sir, good morning to you. Just come over here to your right. Just watch your step as you come forward. If you need a glass of water, let us know. We'll do our best to accommodate you.
See, sir.
That microphone's adjustable. Use it to project your voice. The only thing I ask is that if there's an objection made during your testimony, just pause and let me rule on the objection, and we'll go from there. With that said, state your main inquiry. You're ready.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Please introduce yourself to the jury.
William Brown.
And Mr. Brown, what do you do for a living?
I'm retired now.
And what are you retired from doing?
Selling roll-off dumpsters.
So I'm going to draw your attention back to December of 2018. Who was your employer?
All-American Roll-Off.
And what were your responsibilities and duties for working with All-American? You said roll-off, right?
Yes. I would go out to customers and sign them up to put our roll-offs there, and we'd pick them up and take them to our landfill.
And were you also part of obtaining new clients? Did you also obtain new clients through your work with All-American?
Yes, ma'am.
And was one of your clients Ace Pick Apart You Pull It?
Yes, ma'am.
And was that one of your clients back before retirement in December of 2018?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, how often would an All-American vehicle go and swap out containers to Ace Pick Apart specifically?
It was about weekly.
And so would that involve a truck taking an empty container, dropping the empty container off, and picking up the full container?
Yes.
Okay. So this wouldn't be just taking garbage out. It would be actually taking the full container.
Absolutely.
And in December of 2018, approximately the 20th, did All-American go and exchange a container at Ace Pick Apart You Pull It?
Yes, ma'am.
And so after an All-American vehicle would pick up a container, and let's just say for Ace Pick Apart, where would that container go from Ace Pick Apart?
It goes straight to Otis Road, landfill.
And is that, in fact, where all of the containers within your business back in 2018, they would go to the Otis Road landfill?
Yes, ma'am.
No further questions. Thank you.
Good morning, Mr. Brown.
Good morning.
Just a couple of questions. The type of roll-off dumpster that you have, that was 40 yards typically?
Well, there was three sizes, but the one they had was a 40-yarder.
Okay. And was there another distinction between those, like a flat bottom and versus like a bathtub style?
Just the size.
Just the size. All of them were the exact same otherwise. And what style of that was it? Was it flatter, or were they all bathtub style?
They were somewhat bathtub size, they kind of came up.
Okay, and is the difference between that just that it kind of meets down in the middle with a more curved outside edge?
Yes.
Okay. You just stated on direct that all of your dumpsters were dumped at the Otis landfill. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Did you do any dumping of any dumpsters at Trail Ridge landfill?
No.
And let me just ask one other question about the 40-yard. Does that require a ladder to get into the top of that?
Not really. I mean, there's side rails on it that you can step up on.
Okay. Was that, how tall would you estimate a 40-yard that Ace Pick-A-Part had? How tall would that have been?
Probably 6 foot.
Thank you so much. Nothing further.
Further questions?
Mr. Brown, good to see you, sir.
Thank you.
Congrats on your retirement.